Up and bent. All right, take your time. You don't have to reel him in real fast. Little guy. That's a good fish up there. All right, push the button. Put it. Let the rod down. Don't take the pressure off. Push the button. Put it back in the rod holder. Put it back in the rod holder. Now watch your mother rods, guys. Oh, man, you missed yours. Yours was a bigger fish.
I know it.
All right, you get what I'm talking about now?
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, guys. Here, let me get him.
All right.
He's got hooked.
What is that?
That one's on, I think.
Hang on.
Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. Whenever it starts doing that and it don't go straight down, just reel it.
Catfish.
Leave it in the water.
Leave it on.
Just leave it in the water.
Will catfish be bait?
We'll wait till we get something bigger than that. We would have took a pictures of Mark's, but he let his go. There you have it. Whenever you get a catfish on, just stick it right back in the rod holder. Do not push the button though.
What's the button?
That black button on the back.
Oh, okay.
See how when I had that fishing in there, I said push the button, put it back in the rod holder? See, now I put it back in the rod holder, my hands are free.
Oh, okay.
People will lay rods in the boat and the rods start bending over, people tripping over rods. Alright, we didn't get skunked, but anyway, looking for no catfish. Mark had a nice one on up there. Just put it back in the rod holder, you leave just throw the weight in the water and just leave it hanging there. I'll get it baited here in just a minute. They're little guys. Bigger fish, you don't have to worry, they just bend the rod down. Shoplifted you? That's fishing, boys. You can't catch them all. You can take it out of the rod holder. It's just a little guy. It might be a catfish. No. A little striper. You can swing them to me. Y'all don't want pictures of these little guys, do you? Yeah?
No.
Pull me a little line. Let's get him something bigger. All right, calm down, young man. We're gonna let you go. Acting like he's any size. He ain't pulling back. Yeah, it's catfish. Just pick him up and bring him to me. Pull some line. Just pull the line. Take the pressure off the rod. Then you can push the button. You can push the button now and put it back in the rod holder. Slimy dimey. Bye, city life. No. It's a little white. Oh, little striper. Man.
They're not trying to get you back. Over there.
Push that button.
I'm sorry. You got it?
You can put it right back in the rod holder.
In case you're wondering why I didn't get a birthday whipping last night, because none of us were good enough shape to get it 70 licks.
Somebody grab the net.
The net.
Oh, get the net down close to the water. Striper, big striper. All right, you can stop reeling. Oh, you try not to reel that weight all the way to the top. You put it right back in the rod holder. All right, we'll take a picture of this one, guys.
Having you stand up.
All right, another rod could bend over. All right, calm down, young lady. You're acting like a catfish.
Yep. Release it.
Slimy dimey.
Got it?
There you go.
Sorry. Oh, that's everywhere.
Y'all want to get a picture of him or?
Nah,
All right, well, trying to get y'all bigger fish. Just, I don't know.
that was fun though. Better than a cat. I finally didn't catch a cat. That's another bad, huh?
You just, oh! Swallow.
That's a white one, you said?
This is a hybrid. That was a white bass I just let go.
boot. I'm gonna be super pumped. Got something on there. Alright. That's probably
Ha ha, that's a better fish. Nice job, nice job. Here, bring it back, bring the net back.
Yep.
Push the button, put it back in the rod holder. Nice striper. Very nice striper.
Wow.
Take your time,
there
guys.
you go.
All right, try not to reel it all the way, the weight to the.
Pardon me?
Try not to reel the weight all the way to the rod.
Say that
You
again.
got another one back there?
I'm sorry, I can't remember. What are you saying? Turn it which way?
Try not to reel the weight all the way. You need to stop reeling when you get the fish to the boat.
Okay,
You reeled it until the weight stopped.
gotcha.
He's got a good one back there.
I had one too. The
Just-
top came off. I lost it.
Oh God! Don't pull them out of the water. You'll break them. You'll break them. You can't do that.
Oh,
You'll break the line. You pull them out of the water.
Okay.
That one back here.
I lost mine too.
Take that rod out, up and bent. Take your time. That's a good. Ah man, he had a good one back there. He must not fish much. He tried to pick it up out of the water. It broke the line. Put it right back in the rod holder.
There we go.
That was a nice fish back there, Mark. That was a big striper.
We had one back here too.
Yeah, well, there's fish here. I saw them when we pulled in.
Yep.
I was just hoping they were going to be feeding. They are feeding. That's my fault. Just don't worry about it.
With that.
Reel it.
There it goes.
Keep it rod up and bent. Get it out, up and bent. It's a little guy. Pick it up. You gotta take it out of the rod holder.
I'm caught. I'm just trying to. Woo! Hello.
Just swing him to me. Pick him up, swing him to me. Just a little guy. It ain't no Mark fish. Mark catching the big ones back there. Well, he ain't catching them. He's having them on, but. Just put it back in the rod holder. Keep the rod up and bent. Somebody get the net. It's a big one. Don't worry about the other line. Whatever line it's in, just push the button on the reel. Rod up. That's a good fish. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's a big one. All right, let the rod down, push the button, put it back in the rod holder. Let's rest it right there. Get the, give me one of those boga grips.
The white things.
Yep. Big hybrid.
Nice.
I get my picture. Woohoo! This trip was worth it.
It ain't over yet, guys.
Wow. Good
spot.
Man. Nice one there.
Oh, it didn't break it. I thought the line broke.
Oh, well.
He's got a hybrid, I guess.
That's a hybrid. It's a good fish. Take your time. No, don't go through there. Get back there with him. Keep the rod tip high. High when he gets close to the top of the water. Don't get the net in the water. Keep the net out of the water until he picks it up. Dip right under him. You put the net down in the water, you're going to lose the fish. The fish will go around the net. Wait till he gets to the top. Dip under him. Now dip under him. Just do a little quick dip. Let the rod down. Push the button. Nice fish. Nice work, Mr. Mark. Birthday boy.
Right. Hey, that one back there, Joe. Joe.
Joe, you got one. Rod up and bent. Leave him in the water.
Ah, catfish.
He's a catfisherman.
That's my fish. That's right. Yeah.
You can leave him there. Let me get this one. Give me one of those boga grips. Front rod, front left, front left. Good fish. Pull him out from under the boat, easy. Keep that net flat. Keep that net flat. Pull the rod tip high when he gets close to the top of the water. There you go, perfect. That's the way you do it, guys.
Get the bait.
All right, don't worry about it. Just push the button, put it right back. Have it back.
I don't want to catch it.
You stick it in the rod holder right here. Get over here. Bring him. Keep him over here away from that trolling motor. Pull him back away from this line, so this rod can go bend down too. Nice fish. That's a nice. They look like a striper.
Yeah, I think so.
God,
Yes.
that's a big hybrid. Push the button, put it back in the rod holder. Man, that's a nice fish.
The front's getting some work in. Yeah, right. I was worried about fish in that. 2 cups of coffee, and I was like, man, it's gonna get hot out there, so I drank a bunch of water thinking we were sweating our tails off.
Oh, look at that one. Let me get you one.
At what point do you keep a fish and mount it?
No, not that. That 11-pounder would have been good for this lake, for somebody catching and winning this lake.
That made it easy to say.
He's in all of them. That's all right. Just leave the buttons pushed. Let me have this. Keep it down, because the trolling motor. Get over here. I'm sorry, guys. This guy got in every damn line. Keep pulling him out this way. All right, don't reel. Rod tip high. Rod tip high. All right, drop the rod tip. Now that's the way to end the trip, huh, birthday boy?
Absolutely.
That's a big one, ain't it? Well, I'm sorry the other rods can't bend over, guys, because his fish got in every other line.
That's what it took. That's what it took, man.
Man,
You want to take the rod before you move it?
just let it down. I'm gonna take the pressure off of it. Just put it right back in the rod holder. That's a pretty fish. Let's get some pictures of this rascal. Y'all thought I was pulling your leg. God, look at that mess.
Nicely done. All right.
Goodness gracious.
You can just put that in that rod holder up there.
Attaboy.
Smile. I'm gonna say 9 pounds. What do you guys say?
Let's say 7.
7?
$1. $1.
$1. Make them holler. I'm gonna say 8.5, 9. Nope. Almost 8.
All right. All that fish is only 8 pounds.
I know, but it's fish as big as you want it to be. When somebody asks you, how big was that fish you caught?
Right.
Goodbye. Come on, baby. Go down. Go down. God dang it. Jesus, God.
This guy died?
Well, I gotta push him down. We got a mess here, guys.
This one has bait on it.
Keep that rod up and bent. Easy. Don't reel it. Just take your time. You can reel it if he's letting you. I'm just saying, don't force him. Keep him on this side of the boat. You can reel him. Whenever it's slack, I mean, you can reel him up. That might be a big blue. No. If he takes off and does this, it ain't no blue. He got in that one. Just push the button.
He's out.
If he's out, close the reel. Turn the reel. And be ready for another one to bend over. These things swim in 2 or 3. Oh, that's another big one. Yeah, leave. We got that one tangled up. Nice fish.
Release it. I already did. It's cut up.
Put this on that table right there. You need a bath, young man.
Yeah. Bloody? He had a lot of blood on him, yeah.
Ah!
There you go, no leg. Yeah. Alright, good picture here. Yeah. Nice one. I think Dad's still bigger. Yeah, oh yeah. Nice.
Smile. It's another big striper, boys. Or it's a big blue. And reel down and pull them up from under the boat. Get the rod down in the water. Don't let it loose. Easy pulling it. Keep easy pulling them. Keep the rod down deep because of the trolling motor. When you get them to turn and come out, then you can bring the rod high again. All right, now bring the rod. Oh, that's another big striper. Bring the rod up. Now that's the way to end the trip, boys. God, push the button, put it back in the rod over. Woo! What'd I tell you? I could be back there getting everything ready, and one of them rods bend down, huh?
To the very end.
To the very end.
Nice. Live action on it. Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Here.
Alright, go. Good fish.
Yeah, don't let them go. Let me get a picture of them.
Me of little faith and collapse the net already.
Well, I can have it back out just like that. You ain't gonna see how it takes a little time to bring them in. All right, go ahead and let him go. Did he go down?